So now children, let's start our exercises which I had given you for homework. Okay, so we were doing present tense, isn't it? Verbs present tense. Now we had already completed the table, tense table, and then the first simple present tense we are doing. Now when do we use simple present tense? All these, the list is given here which we have already read and understood. So now this is the exercise on page number 61 of your book. So let us do the first sentence. Now see, choose the correct form of the verbs from the given alternatives. That means these two alternatives, A and B, you have to choose the right answer for it. Okay, so the first one I have already done. Brian Lara play cricket. So it should be plays cricket. Why? Because Brian Lara is singular, and that is why the verb goes in singular here. Okay, so Brian Lara plays cricket. So the first one, A1 is the correct answer, and you can write here, what is this? It is actually a regular action. So a regular action you have to write here in the blank given. Now, water freeze at 0 degree centigrade and boiled at 100 degree. So again, it should be water freezes and boils. These two are your verbs. So freezes and boils. Again, this is simple present only, and it is again it is actually a universal, except it is universal truth, isn't it? It is universal truth. So here you will write a universal truth. Now come to the third one. An empty vessel make the most noise. Now this is a proverb actually, isn't it? It is a proverb. So you can write here, it is a proverb, and proverbs always take verb in the present tense. So an empty vessel makes, this is the correct answer, makes the most noise. Come to the fourth one. The judicial system safeguards the citizens' rights. So safeguards. Why? This is the verb. So safeguards. This is the correct answer. So why safeguard? This is professional activity. So you can write here professional activity or duty you can write. Isn't it? Now come to the fifth one. I not like cheeseburger. So obviously you will have to make a negative one. So we will have to take this one. I don't like cheeseburgers. Do not or don't, isn't it? So this is the fifth one. And what is this? These are likes and dislikes. Likes and dislikes you can write here, isn't it? See this one here is the example given. Now come to the sixth one. Hamida go for a walk every morning. So this is verb. So goes. Hamida is singular, so goes. So this is a, actually you can say habitual action, habitual, okay, habit. Then or it is a regular also, like you can say. So this is correct. Okay, regular action, like daily she goes. Petrol prices go up drastically these days, or nowadays it is said. So goes. So this is go. So are going. Okay. So petrol prices are going up drastically these days. So here we will take present continuous. Okay. This is continuous. These days means nowadays. That means being observed since the past, like from the past and till the time of speaking, and further also don't know for how long it can go on. So are going and here. So what are you going to write here? A regular action, which is again a regular action which is going on at the time. Now the sun rises in the east. Obviously sun rises in the east. This is a universal truth, isn't it? Again universal truth, isn't it? So you can write here truth. Now the speaker conduct. So the speaker is singular, so obviously conducts the session in the parliament. So this is again professional duty. So you can write here professional duty, isn't it? Then migratory birds visit warm countries in winter. Now this is again a regular action, so you can write here a regular action, isn't it? So migratory birds visit. So S we will have to cancel because this is plural, isn't it? So you will write here visit. This is the correct answer for this. I hope this exercise is clear to you. Now let us do this exercise on page number 62. Follow the instructions in the brackets to rewrite the sentences given below. Make necessary changes. So wherever changes we need to do, we'll do it. Now, Radha likes physics. So what you have to do? Interrogative sentence. That means some question sentence you have to make. Now, for present tense, you know that we always use do and does, isn't it? Do for plural and does for singular. Here Radha is singular, so we are going to use does for her. Okay, so does Radha like physics? Okay, this we are going to write like physics and interrogation sign. Don't forget that. So now here don't get confused. Here it was likes and here we are writing like. We are not putting S to it. Why? Because does, whenever do, does or did, all these interrogative words come, we never use S in this. Okay, means it should be this without S. Okay. Now the next sentence, she prefers tea to coffee. Negative sentence we have to make. Okay, so she is again singular. Then she does not prefer tea to coffee. You can also write the short form if you want. Okay, she doesn't try, she doesn't prefer. Again S you will cancel here when you are going to write. So S both. Come to the third one. Shakespeare was a playwright. Now WH, what do you mean by WH? Means any interrogative word. Okay, so simply you can ask a question. Who was Shakespeare? Simple. So who was Shakespeare? Okay, and then interrogation sign. You can easily write Shakespeare. Okay, now after that, who was Shakespeare? When you ask this question, this answer should come. Okay, Shakespeare was a playwright. I don't like going to the market. Affirmative sentence. Affirmative means positive sentence. So without no or not word. So simply if you cancel this, I like going to the market, it will become a positive sentence. So it's correct. Now Bill Gates is very famous. Interrogative sentence. Now see, in this type of sentence where is, am, are given, okay, in this case you can simply start the sentence with this helping verb. Okay, helping or auxiliary verb. So if you start with this, it automatically becomes an interrogative sentence. So is Bill Gates very famous? So you just write. Okay, so just start with this very famous and question. This is correct. Then I dislike watching long films. Negative sentence. Now actually in this sentence, dislike word itself is a negative word. You never, dislike, all these words are negative words only. So in this case, if you have to make negative sentence, how will you make? You will have to cancel dis. So I don't like watching long films. Okay, so this way. Then seventh one, she gifted this book to him. WH. Okay, so who gifted? You can simply write who gifted and then this book to him. He doesn't enjoy playing golf. Affirmative, again positive sentence. Simply cancel this. He enjoys, because it is present tense, so he enjoys, you're going to write here He enjoys playing golf. So then it will become possessive sentence. I hope you must have understood and done also. Please do the corrections in your book and write first 5 sentences in your copy, fair copy.